The 2026 Volvo XC90. This luxury SUV takes comfort and style to a whole new level, blending world-class technology with Scandinavian elegance. So let's dive into what makes the 2026 XC90 stand out, and why it's one of the most desirable SUVs on the market today. Let's start with the design. The 2026 XC90 carries forward Volvo's signature Scandinavian design language, which emphasizes simplicity, elegance, and functionality. The front features a bold, redesigned grille with that iconic Volvo badge, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the SUV a commanding presence. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to back, with clean edges and a refined, premium finish. The rear features a subtle yet stylish design, with vertical taillights that make it instantly recognizable on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 XC90 offers a range of engine options to suit different needs. You can choose between a powerful, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, or for those who crave extra power, there's the mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The hybrid models combine power and efficiency, offering a smooth, quiet ride with impressive fuel economy. The driving experience is second to none. Whether you're cruising down highways or taking on winding mountain roads, the XC90's adaptive suspension system ensures you get a smooth and controlled ride. And with standard all-wheel drive, this SUV is built to handle any terrain with ease. Now, let's step inside. And let me tell you, the 2026 XC90 is all about luxury. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a spacious, high-end cabin that's designed to pamper you. The materials are premium, with leather upholstery, wood inlays, and soft-touch surfaces everywhere you look. Comfort is at the heart of the XC90's design. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and fully adjustable, with available massaging functions for those long road trips. The 2026 XC90 is equipped with Volvo's latest Sensus infotainment system, which features a large 9-inch vertical touchscreen. It's incredibly intuitive, and it integrates with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily connect your devices. One of the standout features here is the advanced voice recognition system. You can control everything from the navigation to the climate settings just by speaking, making it safer and more convenient to stay connected while driving. As always, Volvo leads the way when it comes to safety. The 2026 XC90 is packed with the latest safety tech, including automatic emergency braking, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system that gives you a complete view around the car. Plus, Volvo's Pilot Assist can help reduce driver fatigue by taking over some driving tasks. So, there you have it. The 2026 Volvo XC90 is a truly luxurious SUV that offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, technology, and safety. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a family road trip vehicle, this SUV checks all the boxes. With its elegant design, powerful performance options, and cutting-edge tech, the XC90 is more than just a car. It's an experience. Thanks for watching today's review, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite feature of the new XC90.